Welcome to Chris Hansen Barbecue. Today we're doing some crispy chicken wings on the grill. You guys are going to love it. Stick around. Alright guys, so we got a bunch of wings here. We're going to get them good and ready to go for the grill. First things first, I'm going with some cornstarch, alright? Now this is going to alter compared to how many wings you're doing. But I did about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I did about 1 teaspoon of baking powder. All right. I also put in salt, pepper, garlic. I put in some onion powder. So anyway, all I'm gonna do with these right now is just sprinkle it on top. We just want the chicken wings to get a nice little coating. That's it. So after that, we're gonna want to shake them around a little good. Just hit up all them sides. All right. As you can see, it's going on nice and easy. All right, we don't want it caked on. We just want a nice little coating. Mango pineapple habanero jam. This is a mango pineapple habanero. Now I use jellies, jams, preservatives for sauces and glazes. I'm telling you, they work great. I love doing it. I actually do it a lot, as you can see in some of my earlier videos. But what we're going to do, we're going to put this on. I have an electric stove, so I'm starting off on a medium to high heat. I'm going to kind of bring it down to a simmer. So we're going to let that go for a little while. Meantime, we're going to put in some apple cider vinegar. Probably do about a tablespoon and a half right there. We're just going to give that a couple minutes, let that go. This really became some liquid over here, which is good. It's breaking down nicely. So at this time, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add a little butter in there. Got about a third of stick right here. I'm gonna let that melt down. So since we're using jelly-based glaze right here, we are good with the sugar. We don't want to add any brown sugar to it. Now this is a mango pineapple habanero. Now, I don't know how hot it's going to be with the habanero. But after this step, what I would do is check the heat. If it's good for you, you're golden. If not, go ahead with whatever you want to use. Red pepper, chili powder, cayenne, paprika, whatever you want to use to bring that heat level up, go for it. I would add it after this. But, all right. All right, guys. This sauce is ready. It's good to go. I just tried it. I'm not going to add any spices to it, any heat to it. This is good to go. I'm happy. All right. So what I'm going to do, kill the heat. I'm going to come over, get a measuring cup. Now, I'm using a measuring cup just for this simple purpose. It's Pyrex. So it's going to withstand the heat. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pour it in there. I'm just going to let it hang out. All right. Now, I'm going to put the sauce on hot. Got my little grill brush ready to go. I'm going to check them. This is our first check on them. At this point, I'm using some butter spray. I'm going to go ahead, spray them up. Get a quick little probe just to see where we're at. I know we're not ready, but all right, guys, another 10 minutes went by, so we're just gonna flip them back to its original side. Sorry, guys, I forgot to hit play. But what we're doing now, we just took our wings off, get a big bowl, put a little of that glaze in, just stir it around. That's it. Just want a nice little coating on everything. What you're going to want to do, transfer it to a wire rack or a baking rack, whatever you want to call it, ASAP. Just going to let them cool. We're going to let them go for about 5 minutes or so. Now, one thing we want to do is not wait too long before we serve these, all right? Because we already put that glaze on, and we don't want to lose any crispiness. So we're just going to let them cool for just a couple minutes. And that's it. We are in business. 5 minutes, not even. Time to try them out. They still feel crispy. Look at this. This looks good. Definitely good. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so one thing you can do is if maybe you want it really crispy, maybe you just want this glaze as a dipping sauce. That's totally perfect. Maybe somebody doesn't like this glaze. Maybe you want to serve a couple different dipping sauces. Totally perfect. So if you do that, you know, you're going to take crispy wings off the grill. They're going to be nice and crispy. However, you still want to do the wire rack. You still want to do the bacon rack. All right? This isn't chicken. You're not frying up chicken cutlets and throwing on paper towel. You don't want to do that because it's going to sit in that moisture. So, hope you guys enjoy. Try this out. Let me know what you think. Please leave a comment. Until next time, guys. Thanks for watching.